Hello everyone, this is Zoe and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, let's start by saying that I'm Italian, so please bear with me if I sometimes misspell something or if I say something that kinda sounds silly. I try my best speaking another language, plus it has been a long time since my last voiceover video, so I might be a little rusty. Alright, so this video was made for my IGTV channel on Instagram, and you can find all the links down below if you would like to check it out. I'm very active there, so it will be a great way to get in touch with me. This is a slower paced version of that video, so that is why you see it vertically instead of horizontally. I started this tag by adding a layer of Ranger Dina Wakley white gesso. I dried up with my heat tool and then I added a couple of layers of distress paint. And since I'm sure I'm not able to say the correct name, please make sure to check out the full list of supplies in the description box below. I kept adding layers of paint and as I was painting I made sure to never clean my brush. This helped me with the blending, although distress paints blends together perfectly. When I was happy with the paint and I made sure everything was well dry, I started adding distress ink. I pressed the ink pad to my HOLTZ glass media mat, added a bit of water and then just pressed my tag into it. I repeated this process a couple of times till I was happy with the result. In between, I was making sure everything was well dry before adding another layer. To add more interest, I used Distress Crayon to highlight the side of my tags. Distress Crayon are really creamy and blends perfectly with just your finger. If you haven't got them yet, get them right now. I decided to add some more texture with this beautiful stamp set by Team HOLTZ and Stampers Anonymous. I absolutely love these stamps and I used OXIDE ink to stamp with it. I wanted to create a focal point in the middle of the tag. And as you will see at the end, I covered this focal point with another layer of ephemera, but I wanted to show you what I did anyway. I did a first layer with distress paint, and then I let it dry, and I used another stencil over it with distress oxide. Here I'm adding some gesso because the focal point at this point was blending way too much with the background. I added some more stamps, but this time I used ARCHIVAL ink. To add a bit of contrast, I used Distress Spray Stain with a brush and highlighted some parts of the background. Here I'm using Mummy Cloth from the Ideology Halloween release by Team HOLTZ. I sprayed it with a bit of gel medium thinned with water, and then I used again Distress Spray Stain to add some contrast color. And here's my favorite part. I took an old tag I made but that I didn't like, and I was lucky enough because the colors were kind of the same color palette of the tag I was making. So I used this stamp set, and oh my god, this is an amazing stamp set. It's from the Specimen stamp set from, again, HOLTZ and Stampers Anonymous, and I used Distress Archival ink. I then fussy cut it, and I used Distress to stain the edges. I made this little cluster by using ideology embellishment. Those are tiny bits of paper, and I absolutely love them. I distressed the edge and then I stitched everything together. I always get questions from people asking where I take words from my tag, and these are stickers from the Snippets collection by HOLTZ. They are wonderful stickers that were hand selected by Paula Polacini from One Lucky Day. That's her blog name. I suggest you to follow her, she's great. And HOLTZ, if I'm not mistaken. And they're perfect to add sentiments and overall a vintage look. These are just final touches, and as you can see, I've also stitched around the side of my tag. I like doing so because it gives a finished look to the tag. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed and that you got inspired. Don't forget to share with your friends, and that I'm always here to answer any question if you have some. And my social media links are down below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Ciao!